is fine. Just be aware of people joining from the left. Yeah, just check from here. This man wants to join. Good. Nice. Good. Go back now. That's it.
So is it usually let one through?
Depends on how the traffic flow. Sometimes you might need to pick up and let them behind.
Yeah.
Sometimes you might need to slow and let them in front. Yeah. You did well there. So here now it's a bit different. Maybe one or two you need to let through. So you let through one here. We had no choice there. We had to anyway. Yeah. So you see the big difference from up there. I think when you're going faster, it's a little bit more challenging. It's coming up here. So we're going to indicate to tell them that we want to come over. There could be people trying to come. Luckily there's not much look. So it's going to be easy for you this time, yeah? Yeah, man. And we're going to go fully to the left. That's it, my son. Take it easy. Remember the bus could stop, yeah? This bus lane is suspended. They are very useful, so don't worry about it. So, how would you come to city centre, by train or by car?
Usually I just bus it, but yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a good trip. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, that's right where you want to be. Yeah. Now, very soon I think we're going to need that right lane anyway, or that middle lane. Because it's going to go to city centre only, and we want to go to Warsaw at some point. So indicate, I think this is good, yeah. Check left again, son. Nice job. You tell him if you mark
Yeah.
that has opened up your eyes, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's easy, yeah. It's helpful to like know what to do. You're not talking to anything like that.
You do very good at these drivers, you know. Driving like someone who has experience.
Yeah.
Did you say you play driving games, yeah?
Yeah, I play racing games. Yeah.